Hey, first grade, welcome to music class. I can't believe it. We're almost at the end of the school year. Since August, we've been coming to music class and learning so many fun music things. So I want to take this week to review everything, because next week, well, we're going to have to say goodbye until I see you in the fall. And I'm so excited to see everybody again, to make music together in class. I think that's going to be so much fun. So, first grade, well, this is another year. We are a little bit older than we were last year, and we learned a lot of really fun music things. So we talked a lot about steady beat. We learned how to sing in our really nice, pretty voices. We sang at Christmas concerts, and we got to do so much fun stuff. So let's review some things. All right, ready? Repeat after me. Ti 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 ta ta. Ti 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 ta. Ta ti ti ta ta ti ti ta 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 ti 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 ta ti 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 ta ti 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 ta ti 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 ta ti 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 ta ta ti 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 ta ta. Tricky one. Ta, 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 ta. So this year we really started to talk about how do we write music. So we started with our rhythms, our tas, our TTs, and our ta-ahs. All right, you ready? We're going to draw them out here on our hand. I'm going to have a sip of coffee though, because it is early in the morning and I am sleepy. So first grade. Let's get our imaginary paper. Let's get our imaginary pen. Can you draw a ta-ah on your hand? All right, I'm going to hold it this way so you can't see. I don't want you cheating off me. You drawing yours? You almost got it? I'm almost done. All right, show it on the count of three. 1, 2, 3. Does yours look like that? So a ta-ah is an open circle. We don't fill it in, and then we add a line on it. A ta-ah gets 2 beats. Ta-ah. We keep our hands together for that one. Ta-ah, ta-ah. Can you join me? Ta-ah, ta-ah, ta-ah. All right, now on your hand, can you draw a ta? They're mowing outside, so it might sound like a lawnmower. Can you draw a ta on your hand? All right, same thing. I don't want you cheating off of me, because I think I'm going to get it right. All right, you almost got it? All right, show your answer on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Does your imaginary one look like my imaginary one? So a ta looks a lot like a ta-ah, but we fill in our circle. We make a big dot at the bottom, and we add our line. Can you clap 10 tas with me? You're going to have to count in your head. Ready? Ta, 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 ta. Yeah, so when we think ta, we also call that the steady beat. Now, can you draw a TT on your hand? Coffee. TT, let's see. I think I got it. All right? Did you draw yours on your hand? Show me your answer on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So TT has 2 sounds. So we have 2 dots, and then they like to be friends, so we join them together with a line at the top. So first grade, we spent a lot of time writing these out and answering on our whiteboards and making a guess of if Mr. O'Brien said one, could you write them out, and all these different patterns. And we're going to spend a lot more time doing that next year too. Now there was another thing that we did. We started to talk about these words to get us singing. Repeat after me. Sol, sol, sol. Sol, sol, sol. Me, me, me. Me, me, me. So we started to talk about these hand signs that we can do. All right, can you sing after me? Excuse me. Sol, mi, sol. Sol, mi, sol. Sol, sol, mi, sol, sol. Sol, sol, mi, sol, sol. Sol, mi, So those were our solfege. So that's the fancy name for them. But basically, we sing high, and when we sing low. And when we sing high, our hands are high, and we sing low, our hands are low. So we have, oh, I almost spilled my coffee. Woo! We have do, hands together. Mi, hands flat. Sol, hands flat a different way. And then, do you remember what happened when we took our solfege? Do, mi, sol. Ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta. And we put them together. It makes music. So when we put those together, we get a song like this one that we spent a lot of time doing. Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. Wish I may, wish I might, have my wish I wish tonight. So first grade, we learned a lot of really important things. We learned how to write rhythms. We learned how to sing pitches high and low. We learned how to do this all on paper to make music. So we can start to read music. So when we're at church and we open the hymnal, we're not just reading the words, but we're reading the music. Gives us that better connection when we're in church. And then we started to play a lot of instruments. We spent a lot of time playing one of these. Now, I'm going to turn my camera here. We played metallophones, bass xylophones, and xylophones at school. At home, I have what's called a marimba. A marimba kind of looks like a big bass xylophone, right? And just like our songs, starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. Wish I may, wish I might, have my wish I wish tonight. We can do a lot of fun things on our instruments. So that's why it's so important to learn music, because we can sing songs to have fun. We can sing songs for special occasions, like when we sang songs at our Christmas concert, or when we sing songs at church. And we learn all this because music really is something special. When we learn how to read music and write music, we can learn more music, so we can sing at all those special times and special places. So first grade, we really learned a lot this year. I think we've all become really, really, really good musicians. And next year, we're going to work even harder so we can learn even more fun stuff, because next year in second grade, we're going to learn a lot of really cool things. And I'm going to let you think about what those things might be. And I'm going to give you a sneak peek next week. So first grade, I hope you enjoyed music class this year. We had so much fun. I'm so excited to see you in the fall, and I hope you enjoyed our little tour of our whole school year of little bits and pieces of what we learned. All right, first grade, I'll see you next week for the last week of school. All right, bye.